Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your Crunchyroll subtitle delay. If you're having problem with your subtitles delaying on Crunchyroll, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, that is airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, try logging in into your Crunchyroll app again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's see if there's an update available for Crunchyroll on your App Store or Play Store. Go ahead to your Play Store or App Store and search Crunchyroll. Then see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you're using the outdated version of the app. Sometimes issues like subtitle error or delay happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open settings and then search for app, and then you are going to look for Crunchyroll by scrolling until you see the option of Crunchyroll. Then you are going to click on the option of storage, and now on the bottom right of your phone you'll see the option of clear cache. So hit the option of clear cache. This clears out all the old data that might be causing the issues. Now if you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. Go ahead and delete Crunchyroll from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest improvements and bug fixes. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back your subtitles on time. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.